All right, so we're going to go over the first position of our get up, starting with the setup. So you'll notice Ben is in a position he's used to, the fetal position. So what he's going to do from here is he's going to go ahead and take the bell with him and keep it close to his body and roll onto his back. What we're going to notice is Ben bent the right leg, which is the right leg, and it's at a 45-degree angle. He's got his other leg also at a 45-degree, but nice and straight. From here, Ben's going to use both hands to press the bell overhead. Great. He's going to take his arm and place it at around a 45-degree as well. What we want to see in this position is a nice neutral wrist, and as he goes through the movement, we're making sure his shoulder is not creeping up into his ear. From here, he's going to push through his heel. He's got his 3B, and he's going to think about pulling himself up onto his left hand. Boom, he's up on his elbow. Forearm, again, we see no shoulder in the ear, and we've got a fairly nice straight line through one arm down to the other, down to his elbow to the floor, and he can come back on his back from here. He's going to come up again. We'll do one more rep, and he's going to make sure that the knee doesn't cave in too much on the way up. Great. He's going to hold the position, and then he's going to come back down to the floor. The get up is all about stability, so it's very important to take your time through each position.